Hey doing guys, this is Dan with Laptop Magazine, and we're here in Bentley's 2013 GTC V-8. This is a Bentley Continental, it's a coupe, convertible. We just want to walk you through the different systems that it has. So right up front here, you can see we have a large touchscreen. We'll power it on for you. And we're right now in the map section, so there's different buttons down here. You have map, navigation, guide, car, telephone, media, band, and tone. Tone basically changes all the sound settings in the car. So we want to point out something real quick. All the Bentley knobs have different levels of knurling on them, the little textured material, and they actually simulated that on the screen with this. So you can just scroll down using that little knob there. We go to band, you can get your AM, FM, your satellite, Sirius, media, where you can get part of the hard drive, SD card, which is the slot right here, CD, and Bluetooth audio, which we have hooked up. Telephone, we have Droid X hooked up, so you can see it tells you the level of connection, things like that. And then the map, we have again a navigation and guide. And setting up the navigation right now, we're looking for a location in Howell, New Jersey, and what you can do is actually go into the options there and set the dynamic route, whether or not you actually want to take freeways, toll roads, things like that. We'll exit out of that. It's navigation. We can go to guide, and the guide will basically tell you.
Guidance is not active.
That's basically telling us that we don't have the guidance set, but if we press that and we have a route set, it'll give us the directions. Down here we have the different HVAC systems. You can turn it to whatever temperature you like, and it'll automatically set. Again, there's nice knurling on here. The fit and finish of the car is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the leather is beyond reproach. It feels incredible. The seats are amazing. It's hand stitched. Everything in here is handmade. It's absolutely gorgeous. We want to move over here to the steering wheel. We have voice activated calling. So since it's an English car, the voice is actually English. So we can press this. Call home.
The name could not be assigned. Please choose manually.
And I actually don't have my home assigned right now. What you can do is you can choose manually to make it easy. You can just scroll down here, and it'll go with names that sound like home. So you have Tom, Mom, Paul, kind of all O in there. Or you can set individual names. Over here, we have the cruise controls. And here we have the menu, which we can cycle through. So we have settings, so you can go through different convenience settings, light and vision. We can go through the time, date, units of measurement, surface intervals, and go back to factory settings. You can check your current speed in digital right there. We also have cruise control and audio settings. So right now it's set to the auxiliary, but we can set it to our own Bluetooth phone, or we can set it to radio. Also, we have the navigation here. We can actually set that if we have a direction set, it'll tell us where we're going right up there, the most recent directions, and actually give you an indicator of when a turn is coming up. So it's pretty interesting. Again, the fit and finish in here is absolutely ridiculous. You can make different changes to the car. If we just go over here, you can actually raise and lower the car if you'd like. You could change the speed setting, so it'll give you the PSI for when you want the car to be at normal speed, high speed, or max speed. It'll alternate the PSI settings. You can set the different tires that you have. Over here we have a convertible button. So what it'll do is it'll actually drop the top. So we'll do that real quick. So you can see the roof is coming off right now.
You know the best.
It's going down. It takes a second. And there you go. Top down of the Bentley. Just going to drive around. Also over here you have active dampeners. So what that does is it actually helps the ride to feel comfortable or sporty. So you just press that, and on the screen you can choose whether high or low, and it'll actually raise or lower the display. So yeah, that's basically the Bentley. And again, this is Dan Howley with Laptop Magazine, and we're here in the 2013 Bentley GTC V-8 convertible.